Hey everyone, and welcome to another Ask an Architect segment where I, Tim, an architect, answer whatever questions you have. And if you have a question you'd like me to answer, feel free to send it to aaa@domum.design. And Taylor, you make the email address appear somewhere over here. Yeah, there we go. So today I'm in Grand Central Station in New York. And this is an inflection point. This is a point where people make decisions on where they want to go, and there's a lot of different paths they can take. And today's question really comes from a couple of different people, but first I want to share a story about Zach and Katie. And they were trying to make the decision if they wanted to remodel their house or sell it and buy something new. So I helped them with the needs and options review, and we went through and figured out what it would take to remodel, and they got some preliminary pricing, and then they sat on it. It took few weeks. They went and checked out some other homes, and they used the information to make a decision. In the end, they decided to move ahead. The financials made sense. They liked their house, their location. They decided to remodel, and they added on to their house and made it something they can live in for years to come. In contrast to that, the question today really comes from Roger and Laura, who we recently did a needs and options review for. And beautiful home, beautiful neighborhood, but after getting the information we provided for them, they decided that a remodel didn't make sense, and they went out looking for other homes, and they just put an offer on a new house, and they're getting ready to move. So while we're disappointed that we don't get to remodel our house, sometimes that's not the right decision. And the only real way to know that is to have a professional come in, figure out what your needs are, what your wants are, what's going to really serve you, not just in the immediate needs, but also the future needs. And so we did that for them, and in the end they decided that their current house wasn't going to meet those needs. And that's great, and we're happy to perform that service, because the last thing I want is for someone to spend hundreds of thousands of dollars, months and months of their time, just a lot of pain, sweat, and tears to get something that isn't gonna work for them, either because it costs too much, or at the end of the day it just didn't give them the lifestyle that they wanted. So if you're interested in having us do one of those needs and options review for you, if you're trying to decide whether you want to move or stay, feel free to reach out to us. Link to our 30-minute consultation, free consultation would be the first step, is below this video. So once again, this is another Ask an Architect segment with Tim here in Grand Central Station. Thanks guys, until later.